Okay, we're all set. First day of the month of December. Welcome to UP again. PWD run. Pwede run. So ayan, mga kasama natin si Moja at si Jenny. We will do the 6-kilometer easy run for today's video. And late na kami sa race. Okay, wrong way kami. Wrong way. Counter flow. Let's go, runners!
Ma'am, kayo 2K. Ma'am, kayo 2K dyan. Sa gilid. 2K.
So, binitawan na yung 2K. Kami nasa 6K category kami. Okay, we're at our 4-kilometer now. 2 to go. The weather is not really happy today, but it's all good. Happy Sunday, everyone. Okay, 5 kilometers is in. 1 more to go. Let's go. Pwede run. Run for PWD. Let's go. Okay, 1 last band. Okay, 4 bands already. We're done. And diretso na tayo ng finish line. And we're good to go. Oh, thank you so much. Pwede run. Good job. Okay, we're approaching the finish line. Finally. Thank you. Finish. Thank you very much, Pocari Sweat and Fresh and Lime Mineral for sponsoring this event, for hydrating us, and thank you guys. Peace out.
We acknowledge the UP Dreamers. You are going to receive a certificate of appreciation.
Okay, it's time for some refreshments. Thank you, Pocari Sweat. And ayun oh, pinipilahan natin yan. May taho. Sarap. Taho sa umaga. May turon pa nga eh. Hingi din tayo ng turon. And may ice cream din. Grabe, sarap dito.